Have these removed because every lock is different. Every key is different.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, you can't just buy a key that's going to go into that. Every lock and every key is different to specific. So you technically need to get them all removed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we're just going to worry about this one here. What's going on, guys? It's Julio here, and I'm doing a locking lug nut removal on this Honda Accord. Check it out. So we have these special tools for this.
I said first because I spoke to somebody. She has accent like me. They stole me $2,000 in my account.
Oh, they stole $2,000 from you?
I worked with somebody that I didn't know was a scam. So,
Oh, that's terrible.
yeah. So once I spoke to him, then he has accent too like to me. And then
That's how you do it. Didn't come off that time. Sometimes it takes a little bit of doing. Removed it. I'm gonna get it off of here first. And they charge you what, $150 for this, right?
yeah, I already paid. I have a receipt here if you want to see it.
No, no worries. I don't need to see it.
I hope my interest will reimburse me because they try to call them. They say everybody's closed today.
Yeah, there's a lot of. So you have insurance, but you couldn't find them today?
Yeah.
Wow. No worries. Hopefully you can submit this ticket to your insurance.
Yeah.
And they'll give you some money back. So the customer had insurance, but his insurance company couldn't find somebody to come out. Oh, cracked tire.
Yeah.
Old tire. No good. Be careful.
Yeah.
It might have wires sticking out of it, okay? Might stab your fingers.
This is yeah. It's like 2 years since I changed the 1 year and a half.
Oh, 2 years ago?
Yeah.
Oh, it's about time to change it then.
Yeah, and then I drove it from Maryland.
From Maryland?
Yeah.
Well, it did its job for you.
Yeah. I knew they had to be changed. So
Yep.
since I changed all of them 2 years ago, this is the one left.
Right there. So far I've made probably like 500 bucks off of that tool. Now we're just gonna drop the car and add some air to the tire, and we're out of here. I'm gonna put some air in your tire. It looks a little flat. So. Looks like it's almost done there. All right, sir, you're all set.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.